Blessed morning to you, the viewers and subscribers. How you all doing? You know it's Links 070 to the V. Just and hope that you're doing fine, keeping safe and in good health. So what I want to talk about today is the spate of crime and violence in our country called Jamaica. It's a serious problem and a problem that is totally destroying the life of people and also the good value of our country in the long run. Recently, there was a serious crime that took place in Clarendon just a few days ago, in which an entire family was actually wiped out. Four family members were taken out in a vicious pre-dawn attack. They were executed while their children were put inside another room to not witness what was taking place. With that said, this is a cause for concern, and it's really sad to see how crime and violence has taken over our country. Gone are the days when crime and violence will be isolated to certain parts of our country. However, now we have seen crime and violence escalating to the point where every parish is being plagued by criminal activities and also violent acts of crime. We must can find way and means of settling our differences. We must can find way and means of ironing out issues that we are having. Resorting to crime and violence should not be the only way in order to settle what is going on. And it's very sad to see what is going on in our beautiful country called Jamaica. Jamaica is such a wonderful place, and we really need to cherish our country. We really need to start looking at life and valuing life some more, because what is going on in our country is very sad. Can you just imagine the pain, the agony that that family is going through to know that four family members were viciously taken out for something that they knew nothing about, just because one bad apple was in the bunch? No, we can't continue doing these things. Whenever someone in a family does something wrong, you'll believe as if any family member you get a hold of, that's how you're gonna settle your difference. We here at Links 007 TV Joe also want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends of those individuals that were taken out in Clarendon. Such a sad story, such a sad event, and it just goes to show you the world that we are living in and how the hearts of people have gone so cold. The love is not there anymore in our country, and that is very sad. This is where I'm going to leave this one though for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report as always. Alright, so have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family. Peace out and bless. Much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always.